From classrooms to real world innovation. Yes, we are at Bosch Center of Excellence at Ganpat University. And now with us, joining Dr. Jignesh Mewada, head of the Mechatronics Department. Hello, sir. Hi.
Hello.
So, can you please explain more about this
Yeah.
Bosch Center of
So
Excellence?
basically, this BOSS Center of Excellence, we normally call it as automation technology.
Okay.
This is a part of mechatronics engineering.
Uh-huh.
So basically, mechatronics engineering is a blended branch, and where it's a mixture of mechanical, electronics, and automation related subjects come into the picture. So if somebody is interested to work upon robotics field or make a career in automation,
Right.
then this is a best branch.
Okay.
If you look at in this excellence center, we have a very state of the art facility. Like we have a automation kit, we have a PLC from the Boss Rexroth, and there are also some sensor technologies available with us.
Okay.
The second part of the automation technology, we have a hydraulics and pneumatic center of excellence, where dedicated state of the art hydraulic systems and pneumatic systems are provided there.
So, which companies are tied up with it?
Yeah, so basically it's a government granted, this project is completely sponsored by the government, and the Bosch Rexroth has supplied this equipment. So all the equipments are from the Germany.
So, how it helped a student to get this kind of exposure?
Yeah. Actually, as I said, the mechatronics is an interdisciplinary branch. So nowadays it's a demand of industry where the students should know the fundamentals of the automation. So there, these kind of components and the training on this kind of components will be helpful them to generate their brain in the automation and that side.
So, as it is a real time experience,
Yes.
and will it help when they say acquire jobs?
Yeah, definitely. That's why the university has provided this provision, because the students will have a hands-on experience on each of this kit, whether it is automation kit, hydraulic kit, or pneumatic kit. And we have a sensor. So basically, based on the application to application, the students can create the entire system.
So, the application part, the hands-on experience, students ki ela use avutundi valla career.
Basically, this setup is very much useful for the students for the hands-on experience, so that they develop their knowledge as well as the skill. This is the first part. Second part is that the students are able to visualize the components, and
Right.
those components are able to, they can operate and they can maintain, they can design and develop the system in the company where they are going to place. So nowadays the company demands the engineer who has a knowledge about the automation, as well as the engineer should also apply somewhere where the real time problems are there. So students can have a hands-on experience, practical learning, and that can be applied to the industry where they placed.